Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
The 2022 Tundra finally brought in a new generation for Toyota's flagship pickup after more than a decade of carryovers. This pickup not only boasted an all-new look inside and out, but it also gained all-new powertrain options. With this redesign entering only its second model year, we expect the 2023 Toyota Tundra to be a carryover model. On the outside, the all-new Tundra boasts an upright design with hard angles and plenty of blockiness to satisfy truck traditionalists. It pulls a little from the smaller Toyota Tacoma and upsizes it to fit this larger body. Inside, the new Tundra features a sharp cabin that delicately blends trunk-like angles and shapes with premium features and materials on higher trims. Plus, Toyota greatly reduced the clutter by eliminating many of the buttons and knobs. We expect the 2023 Toyota Tundra to remain the same inside and out. Under its hood, the current Tundra features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Optionally, buyers can get an iForce Max hybrid powertrain that pairs the V6 with the 3.5-liter engine for 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but four-wheel drive is available. We expect the same powertrain options in the 2023 Tundra. The IIHS hasn't tested the current Tundra for safety yet, so there are no ratings to share. However, the current Tundra comes slathered in safety tech, including standard automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, active lane control, automatic high beams, hill start assist, and a rear seat reminder. The only safety gear options are blind spot monitors, a surround view camera system, and side mirror cameras. We expect the 2023 Tundra to have all the same features. Pricing and release date: there's no official on-sale date for the 2023 Tundra, but we expect a fall 2022 debut based on previous Toyota releases. Pricing also remains unconfirmed, but as a carryover model, we expect only inflationary price changes relative to the truck's current MSRP range of $37,645 to $62,715. Destination fees included. The Toyota Tundra is the company's full-size pickup truck. It competes with well-established trucks like the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Ford F-150 and Ram 1500. In prior years, the Tundra was a solid truck that often trailed behind its domestic competitors due to a lack of updates. For the 2022 model year, however, the Tundra received a significant redesign, which made it far more competitive than ever. Notable highlights from the redesign include a new rear suspension design, a 10-speed automatic transmission, bolder styling, a massive 14-inch touchscreen and two twin-turbocharged V6 powertrains, one of which is paired with a hybrid system. The Tundra competes with the Ford F-150, which our editors think is more well-rounded, the Ram 1500, with its comfortable ride, and the Nissan Titan, which is overdue for a redesign. Thanks for watching.